Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Kafene account adds an extra layer of security to protect your personal information. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Kafene account. Visit the Kafene website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Security Settings section. This is typically found in the Profile or Account Management area. Step 3. Select two-factor authentication. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. You will be prompted to select a method for receiving your authentication codes. Options may include an authentication app like Google Authenticator, SMS, or email. Choose the method that suits you best. Step 5. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. This may involve scanning a QR code with your authentication app or entering a code sent to your phone or email. Once confirmed, your 2FA will be enabled. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Kafene account with two-factor authentication. Always remember to keep your authentication method secure and up to date.